This video is going to go over the NWC-Analytics Dashboard. We'll start out in the top with our top menu. The first menu item is our dashboard. That is your landing page, and once you log in, we'll always go to this page. The next menu item is the tracker, and the sub-menu items are portfolio, watch list, and our alerts pages. Next to that is the analytics top menu item. Below that is the stock research, technical analysis, and DCF valuation pages. And finally, in our top navigation menu items, we have our options calculator. On the far right, we have the account settings menu and the light mode, dark mode toggle switch. Below the top navigation menus is the welcome message, the market open and closed indicators. When the market is open, you'll see this green and says market open. And on the far right is the refresh button. All the data on all the pages refresh every 15 seconds. But if you find that you need refresh sooner than that, you can always click the refresh button. Each page will have a refresh button. Below the welcome message are our stats cards. Here's your portfolio card. This shows the total value of your portfolio, and below is whether it's plus or minus. Next is the watch list menu item. And then the watch list and the positions show how many items you have in each list and how many total you are allowed per your tier. And the last menu item is the active alerts. Of course, it's self-explanatory, shows the number of active alerts you have. Indigo button is the Analyze Portfolio button. We'll go over that in depth at the end. A really great feature. Okay, below the summary cards and below the Analyze Portfolio button, we have the market overview cards. Each overview card is expandable, so you'll see the top 3 popular items in each category. And then if you click on the card, it will give you 10 items for that category. So the treasuries, we have our treasury rates. Commodities, we have the top 10 commodities. And then same with the indexes and the crypto. Below the market overview cards are the summary cards. The portfolio overview card shows your portfolio positions. Now, the percentage is the value each sector holds in your portfolio. So, of all we have one consumer cyclical stock in our portfolio, which makes up 41% of our total portfolio value. Each one of these is clickable, so it will take you to your portfolio page, and it will sort your portfolio table by the sector that you click on. Now that's different from the watch list overview panel. In the watch list is the sectors are broken down by how many items you have in that sector, not by value, just by the total number of items. So in each of these sectors, there's one item listed, and then underneath is 0 items. When we go over the watch list, we'll go through these clickable items, and we'll give a demonstration also of the portfolio overview. The watch list overview is pretty awesome as well. But I'll go into those features when we go to the watch list overview. And finally, below that, we have our IPO tracker. We have two categories in the IPO tracker, the upcoming IPOs and the pending IPOs. Each ticker symbol in the IPO tracker is clickable, so if you click on it, you will get any additional information that is available for that IPO. Okay, let's go back up to the top and let's go to that portfolio analyzer. So this is AI analysis of your portfolio. What it will do is consume all the information in your portfolio, and it will summarize that information for you and give you kind of a 3 to 5 sentence analysis of your portfolio. So let's click on that button. It's sending all the information in your portfolio to Claude AI, and it will generate a summary. Now, this will persist throughout your whole session, so when you log out, it won't be there anymore, but this will help you navigate the rest of the pages, your watch list, and research stocks. And that is it for the dashboard.